If you are looking for a part-time weekend work from home job, this may be a good fit for you. This is an entry-level position. No experience required, so they will train you. You do not need a degree. High school diploma or GED is welcome. So this, again, is an entry-level position. It is a customer service coordinator. I do see here on their website that they do have some state restrictions. So I'll put the state restrictions down in the caption below so that you don't have to waste your time if your state is not on here. They also offer this position full-time as well. So this one is part-time. I know you guys have been looking for part-time, but they also have full-time. So check out the link